Hello Leo, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 8th September to 14th September 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, you can reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. And also before I start the reading, I'd like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Looking at your weekly energies, you've got the Wheel of Fortune and the Stress card. Wheel of Fortune here indicates that you need to take the responsibility of your actions, or you should be ready for the consequences. Here, the Stress card also indicates that you should be aware of the consequences, but you should act swiftly. So whatever that is going on for a very long time, whatever is happening in your life, I think you need to put it into place and you need to put it into a situation where you give it an ending, or you give it a shape, you give it a name, you give it a form, and things will look up for you. If you are ready to take the responsibility of your own actions, things will really start to straighten up, and you will start finding clarity in whatever you do. On the love front, I see Ace of Wands and conditioning. Ace of Wands here indicates that you want something more out of a relationship. You would want to take it to another level. Probably you're not in the right state right now and you need a push. But again, I see someone who is really obsessed with you. Someone who really, really loves you a lot and loves you to an extent of obsession. They might feel a little loveless in this relationship because you are taking a lot of time, you're taking a lot of space, you're not giving them the coziness that they require in this relationship. And and they just might feel really stuck up in this relationship. However, I see that you also have positive intentions towards it, but you're not able to communicate it properly. On the work front, we've got the Star and the Control. Some sort of a wish fulfillment on your work front. Also, some sort of a controlling nature. You would want to know all the details before you invest into anything. You would require all the details before you do anything. A lot of investigation, a lot of know-how going on this week for you. Nothing really major happening for you except for your health front, where I see that you've got Queen of Pentacles. You are suggested a mineral rich diet, could be due to hormonal imbalances, could be something for females, could be related to something in their breast, their ovaries. So you will really have to take a mineral rich diet for that, and you will also have to take a blood purifier. Improving health is something that Angel Answer suggests. Prosperity, your actions have resulted in incoming abundance. Retreat, under the deck I have express your love. Go ahead and make that romantic gesture and then retreat with your partner. It's time to disconnect from the world and spend some time with each other. And don't let pride get into your way. Don't let it get into your way, because relationships are worth more than the pride that you have. Relationships are a lot more worth than the ego battle that you both have. Leo, because also you're a very hard sign, it makes it very difficult for people to battle it out with your ego. So I think you need to keep this aside when it comes to your relationships, and you need to take ownership of your acts. So Leo, under the deck we have Ten of Pentacles, Justice. Again, for some of you, I see some sort of a marriage proposal coming up, some sort of a commitment coming up here, and bring love into the situation. So yes, your life seems a little more love deprived, your life seems a little less on the love front, Leo. So try making up for that. Keep a rose quartz with you, and if this resonates with you, please write to me in the comment section below. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.